Hey everybody, it's Devin, and today I just want to talk to you about if you think you might have the whooping cough. My suggestions are and tips because I had it. I didn't have it, but I went in to the Minute Clinic to get tested, but they can't do it there. So number one is if you think it, if you've been coughing for more than 7 days and you think it's a whooping cough, don't go to the Minute Clinic because they can't help you. All they'll say is, oh, have you been coughing for 7 days? And then if you say yes, then they'll say, oh, you should go to the real clinic, stay away from babies. Because on December 30th, I went in to figure out what was going on with this cough that I thought I had, and they said, oh, I think it's the whooping cough because you've been coughing for 7 or more days, so you had to go to the real clinic. Okay, fine. So I went into the real clinic. They tested me and said that was on a Friday. And they said, oh, it takes 2 to 3 days to get the test back, but we'll put you on this medicine anyways. So, okay, fine. I went on the medicine, and on Tuesday, maybe, I called them back because they never called me back. So, first of all, I wanted the Minute Clinic just for my visit and stuff. That with insurance was $80.55. And then I got my bill. First I got my bill from the hospital, clinic, whatever you want to call it. That was $180 some dollars, and that because they said it was like a section 3 whatever visit because it was like last minute thing and they wanted to squeeze me in. And then so I get in there to my appointment, get to the desk, they have me put on those masks, and then I get to the back room and the nurse has me pull down the mask like to here so she can swab up my nose, and then I pull it back up and the doctor comes in and he says to me, oh, you don't even need that on. So if I didn't need it on, why did they give it to me? And it was just a whole big crazy thing. And they don't call you back or anything, but they gave me the medicine to take anyways. They gave me the cough medicine, and then on top of that they gave me an $80 I have a $80 Minute Clinic visit. So if you think, first, my things are, if you've been coughing for more than 7 days and you think it's whooping cough, don't go to the Minute Clinic or Quick Clinic or whatever. And the second thing is just spend the extra money and go to the real clinic, because my Minute Clinic bill and my hospital bill is over $200, just those two bills, because my insurance only paid $8 for my Minute Clinic bill, but they did pay about half of my hospital bill. But so yeah, I got one fun piece of mail too, and then this Minute Clinic bill. My fun piece of mail though, birthday card, if you guys would like to see, maybe, I've been debating about doing a video on Alzheimer's, dementia, those kinds of things. Leave a like, leave a comment. I'm still debating if I should or just let it be. Yeah. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you next time.